Lentils, a miracle of health. Lentils, one of the oldest cultivated legumes, have been celebrated for their incredible nutritional value and versatility. Here's why they are considered a miracle of health. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. Rich in protein, lentils are an excellent plant-based protein source, ideal for vegetarians and vegans. 1 cup of cooked lentils provides about 18 grams of protein. High in fiber, they are loaded with dietary fiber, about 15 grams per cup, promoting healthy digestion and supporting gut health. Packed with micronutrients. Lentils are rich in iron, folate, magnesium, potassium, and zinc, essential for energy production, brain health, and immunity. 2. Heart health benefits. Cholesterol reduction. The soluble fiber in lentils helps lower LDL bad cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Blood pressure management. Potassium and magnesium in lentils support healthy blood pressure levels by relaxing blood vessels. 3. Supports weight management. Low in calories. Despite being nutrient-dense, lentils are relatively low in calories, making them a perfect choice for weight loss. Keeps you full. Their high fiber and protein content keep you satiated longer, reducing unhealthy snacking. 4. Blood sugar regulation. Lentils have a low glycemic index, meaning they release glucose slowly into the bloodstream, preventing sudden blood sugar spikes. This makes them a great food for individuals with diabetes. 5. Environmentally friendly. Lentils require minimal water to grow and enrich the soil with nitrogen, making them a sustainable food choice. 6. Versatility in cooking. Lentils come in various types, such as red, green, brown, and black, each with unique flavors and textures. They are used in soups, stews, salads, curries, and even snacks like lentil patties. Conclusion: lentils are a simple, affordable, and nutrient-dense food that can transform your diet and health. Whether you're aiming for better heart health, controlled blood sugar, or sustainable eating, lentils truly live up to their reputation as a miracle of health.